Good morning. Welcome to our first lesson on Facebook management and making money through Facebook. We're going to start with the basics, what you need to know about Facebook. So, I'm just going to log into my Facebook right now. This is my normal Facebook, so which is www.facebook.com. So, as soon as you log into Facebook, this is what you will see on your layout. Okay, as you can see, this is my Facebook screen. But in order for you to start making money through Facebook, it's easier to use business.facebook.com. This is this is this is advisable, especially if you're managing a lot of Facebook pages. Not only a lot, but even one. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'll open a new tab and go to business.facebook.com. I'll just click on it. So as soon as I open that, it's a totally different world. It's different from the normal Facebook. So with this, right, business.facebook.com, this is where the magic happens. So I'll just run you through a few things that you see on your display. The first thing that you're going to have to do is set up an account, which is easy. Just like your Facebook, you can easily link it to sign into this using your Facebook to make it easier or shorter. So this is what you see on your when you click on this drop down menu. You have everything from audience insights, creative hub. You've got so many things to look at, and this is really where all the magic happens. You've got audiences, images, so many other things, billings, pixels, which we'll talk about in a bit. So basically what I'm going to show you how to do this. Yeah. Okay, so let's say for example we've got a T-shirt that we want to market to, um, let's say builders, for example, people that are building homes or people that build homes. Let's say we've got a really nice T-shirt that would like to sell to them, right? I've always I've always found using actual examples to be better than just explaining. So let me try to search for like a builder's shirt. We'll just use um, any shirt we'll find on Google just for this example. Okay, I prefer builders. Okay, this is quite interesting as well. We'll just go with this shirt. So I'll just download this shirt. All right, then I'll go to email. Let's create an ad just with that shirt. So to create an ad, I'll go to audiences. I've got a couple of audiences that I customized for for pretty much most of the clients I do. So don't mind that yours might have none, but you can always create from scratch, and which is what we're going to do. So this is just taking a bit of time to load, but which is normal. Okay, so I'm going to go to this part here that says create ad. So as that is loading, we'll just patiently wait. There's nothing we can do, right, Facebook? Okay, so it brings us to this phase where you can create a campaign. Okay, don't mind that. Okay, create campaign. So it gives you so many things, so many options, so many objectives that you want to achieve with this campaign. So things you want to consider. So do you want engagement on this post we're going to create? Do you want traffic? Do you want app installs, video views, lead generation? So basically lead generation is getting people to give you their details like email address, phone number, so that you can add that um, to so many things. If you are going to, you can use it to create custom audiences where Facebook targets a group of people that are similar to people that have given you their email addresses and all that. So that's lead generation. Or do you want messages? Do you want to run an ad where people just inbox you and they see that ad? So I'll go for engagement for this, just for this specific tutorial. So post engagement. So it shows me like what type of engagement do you want now? Is it post engagement, page likes, event responses? Well, it's already on posting engagement, which is what I want. So it's got other options like this part here, A/B testing. So for A/B testing, what happens is that you can test two different creatives or two different artworks. In this case, let's say two different shirt designs and see which one works best or which one people are responding to more, and you can capitalize on that by cutting out the other one and focusing completely on the one people like the most. So our campaign budget for this, I'll just set it at $3 a day. $3 is like really minimal. So that's daily budget. Just make sure it's clicked on daily. Then go down and go to continue. Okay, so it brings us to our audiences now. This is where the magic happens. So, so it says create new audience. Since we don't have, okay, just go to, yeah, we're definitely creating a new audience because these are, so if you go to custom audience, as you can see even from the description below, it's people who have already interacted with your business, of which at this point in time, we're just starting from the beginning. So we have no one who's interacted with us. So no, not that. Lookalike audience. Okay, for this one, I explained a bit on it, which was creating lookalike audiences using lead generation. So what, like when you go to lookalike audience, you're basically going to have to well, you have to link it to either an Excel sheet or a sheet of data that will contain people's email addresses or phone numbers. So no, location, yeah, let's say Zambia, just for this tutorial. It lets us pick the age of people. In this case, yeah, 18 to 65 is alright for us. I'll go for women. I want to target everyone because if you look at the shirt that we just downloaded. Okay, no, I'll just leave it at everyone. Say they prefer builders. Okay, then there's this part here that says detailed targeting. Now this is where you have to take extra caution, as this is what determines what type of people Facebook will target. If you don't, well, if you leave this blank, Facebook will pretty much target everyone, which will make you waste money, as there is no point in, let's say, Facebook showing this ad to let's say people who are in high school or people who won't buy this shirt, for example. Yeah, there's no point in people in Facebook showing it to those people. So what we want Facebook to do is to show it to people who are interested in building, people who are interested in builders, people who would buy this shirt. So on detailed targeting, this is where you choose interests or behaviors or demographics. So I'll just type builders. Or let's say builder. So it shows us, so you got people who got the title of job as builder. So you can actually, well, after clicking the first one, you can go on suggestions, and it shows you like more options. So you can add building contractors, you can add um, general contractors. Or online shopping is always good to have in, as it targets a lot of people that actually buy online, but it will also cut them out into these segments that we're selecting, which is like builders, construction. So you're basically just looking at people who are likely to buy your shirt, the type of people. So people are interested in clothing, definitely. We've already got construction workers. We've got home construction. Okay, we can just leave it at that for now. So we've created an audience for a certain group of people that we want Facebook to target. So placement, automatic placement is fine with me. I've never found any problem with it. So when you go down here, it says you can choose when you want your ad to start or stop. Because mostly if you don't choose the dates, you can actually run an ad for way longer than it's supposed to run. So you can choose, because mostly it's like a month, but you can choose, let's say if you're running a competition and you want it to end at the end of the week, there's no point in having it run for a month. So this is where you just choose the dates and times that you want it to end. Then when you go on continue, after doing all that magic, then it brings you to this part where you have to choose your creative. So I'm just going to choose my page here. So instead of selecting post, I'm going to, what you get, there are two options. If you go and select posts, it goes to posts that are on your page already. And let's say, for example, this was our shirt that we wanted to post. I'll just click on it and go and continue. But in this case, it's not what I want to post. I haven't yet posted it on the page. I actually prefer posting first, then going into Ads Manager to boost the post. But just for the sake of this tutorial, we're doing it the other way around, just going into Ads Manager. And then you can, so instead of select post, we'll go to create new post. So I'll just upload what we downloaded. So this shirt here. The caption always has to be catchy, so just don't say things like buy this shirt now. No, this won't work. So it always has to be something catchy. So for this one, sorry. So for this one, I'll probably say something like, I prefer builders. Okay, so I'll probably say nothing is better than building. Get yourself a builder. This one I can say buy this shirt by clicking. So it's easy if you go to the website, you can see by shirt by clicking on this link, and you can put your link, blah 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 blah, or your contact details. So you can go ahead and publish that post, and from that, after publishing it, you can select it and boost it. Once you're done with all of that, then you just go to confirm, and that's it. Facebook will